Turn on the machine. Open the front cover and let it open. Press the stop, exit and clear buttons at the same time and release. Immediately press the clear button again. Maybe you have to try this sequence a few times. The reset menu appears. Press arrow down button and select the type of toner, high capacity or standard. If you are not sure which cartridge do you have, remove the drum unit. The type of your toner is brought on the cartridge. In the description of the video you'll find a list of cartridges. However, you can reset all of them, it's the same. Select your cartridge and press OK. Press the Up button to confirm the reset. Accepted appears on the display of the printer. Close the cover. The counter is reset. Reset the toner counter only if you insert a new cartridge. If you insert an empty toner cartridge, the machine will adjust the settings, believing you insert a new cartridge and you could have prints with a grey background. If the reset menu does not appear, go to Menu, General Setup, OK. With the arrows select Replace Toner. OK. Select Continue. OK. Accepted. The counter remains at 0, but the machine will continue to print. This is the best option if you want to print with an empty cartridge.